Selling your home can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded, but what if you could have a seasoned guide leading the way? That's where a realtor comes in today. We're diving into the reasons why hiring one can be your smartest move for a smooth and profitable sale. First, let's talk pricing. Realtors aren't just guessing. They conduct thorough market analyses, factoring in location, comps, and current trends to pinpoint the sweet spot that attracts buyers and maximizes your return. Next up is marketing. Forget just sticking a sign in the yard. Realtors craft compelling listings with professional photos, virtual tour, and targeted advertising to reach a wider pool of qualified buyers. Then comes the art of negotiation. Realtors are skilled negotiators, advocating for your best interests and navigating counteroffers to secure the most favorable terms. And finally, they expertly handle the mind-boggling paperwork, legal requirements, and potential pitfalls, ensuring a seamless and stress-free closing. So, ditch the DIY stress and unlock a more efficient and profitable home selling experience by partnering with a realtor. They're not just selling homes, they're selling peace of mind. Subscribe for more real estate tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions about selling your home.